Hey guys, Landry with Airmarksman here with another new product. What we've got here is going to be the Airmarksman Regulator Removal Tool. So real simple design, but anybody who's ever tried to remove an amp regulator will understand the difficulties that come with that. And this tool is going to resolve all of those problems for you. So let's give a little example. We've got a cutaway of an FX impact that uses the amp regulator. So it's back in this trigger guard. You're just going to press this tool onto the stem, and it's got a press fit. Now with a little wiggle, the entire piston and Bellville stack comes out. Well, now you've got it all in order the way that it was meant to be. You don't have to worry about restacking the Bellville stack. And now you can do all your maintenance. You can do the O-ring replacement with this on, do anything you need in the block, and when you're ready for this to go back in, seat that, use the center plunger, tool comes out, and the Bellville stack and piston stay in. So go ahead, like and subscribe to this video if you want to see more Airmarksman products, and comment if there's anything you guys are looking for.